Welcome to Leoch Redmond Residential Energy Storage Batteries. Before installation, be sure to read the installation precaution notes in the product manual. Disconnect all power source and follow safety guidelines. Prepare the following tools and materials: screwdriver, voltage tester, insulated gloves, wrench, etc. Choose a dry, well-ventilated installation site, avoiding direct sunlight and rain exposure. Ensure the area is away from the fire source, flammable or explosive materials. Battery installation. Prepare the installation rack and mounting fixtures. Place the battery modules into the rack in sequence and secure them with screws to ensure stability. The battery supports multiple parallel connection methods. This video demonstrates one of the available options. Refer to the connection diagram for proper electrical connection between battery and inverter. First, connect the positive cable. Parallel the positive terminals of each battery from bottom to top. Connect the negative cable. Parallel the negative terminals of each battery from bottom to top. Inverter installation. Installation methods vary by inverter model. Always follow the inverter's manual for proper setup. If you have any questions, contact the inverter manufacturer. Mount the inverter securely on the wall and instructed in the inverter manual. Remove the front panel to access electrical connections. Connect the utility grip cables. Attach the live, neutral, and earth wires to the corresponding inverter terminals, ensuring correct placements as labeled. Connect the battery to the inverter. Attaching the positive and negative cables to the correct inverter terminals. Connect the PV cables. Use a multimeter to distinguish between positive and negative cables. Then connect them to the correct inverter terminals. Similarly, connect the low output cables to the inverter. Reinstall the panel after completing all electrical connections to the inverter. Finally, attach the other end of the power cables to the battery's positive and negative terminals. The battery inverter connection is completed. Testing and commissioning. First, link the communication cable between parallel batteries. Then, connect the communication cable between the batteries and the inverter. Confirm the inverter's communication protocol RS485A CAN and connect it to the matching communication port on the batteries. Set the dip switches. If using multiple batteries in parallel, configure the dip switches on BMS to assign unique address to each battery. Be sure to avoid duplicated address. Refer to the provided table for the dip switch settings. After completing all settings, turn on the battery switches according to the sequence. Switch on grid power and PV power. Power on the inverter and perform charge-discharge functional tests. Ensure the system is operating normally and that all performance indicators meet the required specifications. For inverter Wi-Fi function, refer to the Inverter User Manual for installation and setup. For further assistance, please contact a professional technician or after-sales support. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy a great experience with your Leoch energy storage batteries.